Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. Now you're watching this video, which tells me you are doing some research on how to get results in affiliate marketing. Well, you've landed in the right place. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you some valuable tips on how to get results in affiliate marketing. Now my YouTube channel is dedicated to people getting started in affiliate marketing. So click the subscribe button down below and let's grow this channel as big as we can and help as many people as we can. Also, if you want to, click the link in the description below the video and get access to my 4-day free video training series. There's some great tips and strategies in there how to get started and build your affiliate marketing business. So how do you get results in affiliate marketing? Well, there's a few steps to go through. These are in no particular order of importance. Really, you need to put all of these in place to get results. The first one I've chosen is invest in yourself. You need to learn the skills to become a good marketer. And the way of doing this is to get on a good training course with a good mentor, someone who's going to be there to give you support. A step-by-step course is something that can take you through all the steps of setting up an affiliate marketing business, and it really is worth it. I mean, you could spend hours going through YouTube videos, but you'll never get the whole picture there. There'll always be a little piece missing that doesn't quite make sense, and you end up with information overload and not knowing what to do with it. So invest in yourself and get on a good course. The next tip is to select a great product or offer for your customers. Now, there's two things to think about when selecting a product to promote. It needs to be a product that is going to solve the problems that your customers have, something that your customers are going to want that's going to make their lives better. The second one is more about yourself. Think about your goals, what you want to earn from affiliate marketing. If you've set a goal of 100 grand a year, quite achievable. That works out to a little under 8.5 grand a month. So when you're selecting a product, if you select one that has only got a commission rate of $50, you're going to have to shift an awful lot of product to achieve those goals. And to be perfectly honest with you, certainly in the early days, that really is a little bit unrealistic. And this leads me neatly into my next tip, and quite possibly one of the most important: be patient. Now, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to get rich overnight. You need to get your mindset that you're in this for the long game. Affiliate marketing is like a marathon. It's not a sprint. So that is an important one. Be patient. Be prepared to build your business over a certain period of time. The next tip is be prepared to invest in tools to run your affiliate marketing business. Now, I mentioned earlier about investing in yourself to learn the skills that you're going to need to run a business. There are certain basic tools which will help you get results much quicker. Now, the first tool that you're going to need is something called an autoresponder. An autoresponder is a database which stores the email addresses of the visitors that opt into your business. And it also allows you to automate the communication with these prospective customers in follow-up emails. The second tool that you're going to need is a funnel builder. This allows you to build your sales funnel. A sales funnel is an industry term for the process that the customer goes through from discovering you online to actually making making a sale. And it's every step in between. So that is what a sales funnel is. And having a funnel builder allows you to create your sales process, but making yourself look unique, so you're not looking like every other marketer on the planet. The third tool is a tracker. Now, the tracker is something which it wraps around your whole business and allows you to keep a track of how many leads you're getting, where they're coming from. It also allows you to monitor results of any tweaking that you do, because when you analyze the business, you might decide something's not working, we'll just change it. You can use your tracker to monitor those changes to see the effectiveness, if they've made an improvement or made it worse. So three essential tools, basic tools, which will help you get results quicker. And finally, traffic. Now, every business needs traffic. Traffic is an industry term for new eyeballs on your business. And as I say, every business needs to have fresh eyeballs every day to see what it is you are offering. Now, there are several forms of advertising on the internet, but you can break it down into two main types, and that is a paid advert or a free advert. Paid ads will get results faster, but it is a tricky strategy and one that you need to make sure you fully understand before you implement it. If you make a mistake with that, it can be quite costly. If you're using Google AdWords or paid Facebook ads and you inadvertently go against their policy, they can close you down, and that can cause a major problem for your business. The other form of traffic is free traffic, sometimes called organic traffic. Now, results will take a little bit longer with this method. They're usually content-based, either in a blog or on a video like this one today. And the secret here is consistency. If you're uploading new material every day, that will help grow your audience, and over a period of time, you'll start to see the results come in. And once they start, it becomes like a snowball effect, and that's when you can say you've got your successful affiliate marketing business. Now, I hope you got some value from the video today. If you have, I'd love to get a couple of thumbs up. That would be great. And also click the subscribe button. Let's grow this channel as big as we can. And don't forget, if you want to learn a little bit more about how I've grown my business, click the link in the description below the video and have a look at my 4-day free video training series. That will certainly help you get started in affiliate marketing. Well, it's been good to talk to you today. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.